777, yes, with 001 include. It's probably gonna go in public in about 5 minutes. It's still uploading. So this is the A340. Yeah, this is a 4-engined Airbus plane. Yeah, it's a 4-engine plane with like only one deck. Yes, not a double decker, and that's why it's like dying, because it has too many engines. And this plane is kind of long, so it's also known as the pencil plane, and the 757 is also the pencil plane. Yes. So today I am going to fly this plane from here, this airport, Larnaca Airport, to probably Azulrani over here in the minimap. Look at my mouse, yeah. Okay, let's go. Wow, it's so long. You can see it's kind of like a pencil, but yeah, the 757 is more like a pencil. Yeah, I made a video about that too. The 757 is also the Air Force 2. Yeah, not many people know about the Air Force 2. It's like Air Force 1, but it's for the Vice President, the Air Force 2. And it just like got a birth strike like a year ago. Yeah, but it returned back safely, and other details I don't know, because it's like military, so I know nothing about it. But for now, let's fly this big boy. It's not hard to fly, but when starting the engine, you have to start all 4 of them. It eats so much fuel, it uses so much fuel. So, yeah. It's one of the most failed Airbus planes, and it also underpowered because it needs a long runway. Yeah, I have to go to the end of Larnaca runway. I don't even know will it survive, though, but I already tested it will survive. Okay, we're taxiing. Let's stop for a second. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna check on. Yes, it's processing. Now it's time for video elements. Ooh, it's loading. Wait, what? Whoa. Plus element. Yeah, I should try this. Video. Yeah, in the middle, I'm gonna use most recent upload. And yeah, subscribe to my channel. And I'm just gonna plus another video. Ooh, it's overlapping. So this cannot be in the middle. Okay. And can I add another one? I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna. I probably should delete this element. Yeah. Yes, this one. In the middle. This will be. Yeah, here. Okay, so I'm gonna save. Yeah, I won't do any cards because it's boring. The checks, yeah, I'm gonna ignore it for now. Set it as public, publish now. And I have another video, I will work on it, but for now, let's fly this big boy. Yes, it doesn't have like many sails. Yeah, but another failure plane of Airbus is the A380, I really love it, but I don't even know how. Well, I understand, yes, COVID's here, and make some things a little harder because it's so big. They don't need big planes because we don't. Yeah, the airline don't have any passengers, and it maintenance, checking, repairable. It does use a lot of money, and the plane's really expensive. So yeah, it's dying right now. Okay, lining up. Immediate takeoff. Yeah, I don't want to stop and wait for some ATC because we don't have one. Let's go. Ooh, I'm the only person in the server, so I have a private server. Yes, finally. Smooth takeoff, smooth takeoff, smooth takeoff. See, it used a lot of runway. We have liftoff, gear down, gear up, yeah. Done. ISO. Oops. Off we go. 2 eyes only Randy. Yeah, only Randy actually stands for isolated. It means isolated, but I forgot what language. Yeah, but in English it's actually isolated. And I don't even know what that means. Yeah. Wow, let's go, let's go, let's go. Passing Scopolo, so this thing's kind of fast, but not much. Okay, the 4-engine plane is going. Yeah, when I spawned the plane, it's actually night already. Yeah, but now it's morning. But in my house, at my house now, it's yeah, you can see here. It's actually 12:35. Okay, is there a little Ranny coming up? I'm gonna land at Little Ranny because it's the only place in this island that I can land at. I can't land at something like RAF Sampson or Air Force Base. It's the small island. Then at Al Java, yeah, it's impossible at it's my brother tells me that it's actually Al Najaf. I don't quite understand yet, but yeah, it's Al Najaf. Okay, Swiss 001 will be proud. Yeah, the reason why I'm using Swiss International Airlines delivery because, well, as I said, the A340 is dying right now, and it's like one of the not much airlines that is still using it. So yeah, give them some credit. The Thai Airways already retired all of the A340s because they can't use it anymore, and yeah, Thai Airways is dying right now. Yeah, a lot of you might not know. There's been a lot of news in Thailand that Thai Airways is dying. Well, they have a lot of debt. And the AG82, yeah, that's the really much problem. Yeah, I think I'm too high again. Okay, runway coming up. Yeah, I'm definitely a little bit too high, so I'm just gonna point my nose down. Yeah, I don't know what kind of approach this is. Yeah, I think this the kind of approach is like illegal in real life. Yeah, it's a butcher machine too, like the A330, but everybody knows the A330, so I won't make a video about the A330. But let's do its, well, big brother of the A330 because it's bigger, but the little brother because it's failed. Butchered on there. Yeah, I failed to butcher in the MD-11, so I'm gonna butcher this plane. Butcher! Yes. Yeah, Swiss Rail 1, eat it! You can't beat this. Ooh, the nose gear did stall. Yeah, you beat me. You got me. Okay, let's taxi. Whoops, too much speed. Let's taxi to some kind of a gate. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna upload like daily clips, like 1 day 3 clips. But Saturday and Sunday, well, I have a lot of stuff to do. I don't have much time to record, so I think it's just Monday to Friday, I think. But next week, I don't know about it. And tomorrow's my brother's birthday. I don't know that I will be recording. But I think it will be fine. Yeah, I haven't uploaded a lot. Okay. Woo! What just happened? Oh, wow. Stall. Yeah, full throttle. Let's do physics. Yeah, just ignore it. Done. The idiot noise stops. Ooh, it's processing. Great job. Yeah, well, I forgot to press stop recording, so the file didn't do great. So yeah, I'm gonna delete this. Oh yeah, this is the video here that I said is still private.